Welcome to Bug City. Population 50 million mosquitoes and me. Today should be a good day. Today should be a really good day. I'm gonna be able to probably do 100 wheelbarrows full of gravel and fill this with gravel the way I want to, and then probably wrap it and start putting some dirt back on top of it. I have a lot of extra dirt here, and I really made the mistake of this. The sidewalks that you saw me breaking up, I should have gotten them out of my way. Because the sidewalks are in there and they're gonna be kind of a pain in the butt to shovel around. And I don't know why, other than they're incredibly heavy, that I left them where they are. But all this dirt, I only need about 10% of it. The rest of it, I think what I'm gonna do is kind of put it out here and kind of try to grade everything kind of like away. There's a little bit of a low spot right here. So I'm just gonna kind of use that rake and rake it out, and then we'll plant some grass. And so let's get to it. But I'll probably put some music on, something that I found, something that I like, and then you guys can watch me shovel for a little while. And then maybe we'll get some closure here when this pile's all gone and everything looks great. We'll see. It's possible that a lot of people don't know what a catch basin is, because I didn't know what one was until I started researching a lot about French drains. If you can't dig this ditch all the way to daylight, meaning some place where the pipe can just stick right out and the water can just flow right out, if you can't do that, then you're smart to do something like this.
Yeah, the water moves through it. Not super quick, but pretty quick. I have a feeling I don't want that many layers. I'm watching it drain in this little pool right in front of me. Right here in front of the stairs, grass never really grows, so I think I'm gonna get some stones and kind of stone in a little walkway.
rarely here at 7 o'clock at night. This is that evening sun. All right, good morning. So I got kind of lucky yesterday and it rained heavily, and I can see where the water is moving. So you can clearly see where it's pooling. Well, at least where it pooled and flowed. And then you could see here, it looks like it kind of sat there. Some of it may have gone over the stone, but what I'm worried about is this right here. You can see where it went that way. If it did go in there, I'm sure it just kept flowing down that hill because it's very violently sloped through there, but it also could work back into the house. You'd prefer it to stay all out here, and that's the main goal. That's the main goal today. It's trying to grade this. Might plant some grass, but it kind of depends on how much I get done. Rake it out, and then we'll plant some grass, and I'm sure that will help. Okay, so let's get to it. Roll the B-roll. Is that what you're supposed to say? Roll the B-roll. I'm not gonna talk like that ever.